Hey everybody, this is a quick video to help you out in case you have a Hoover brand washing machine and you're getting an E06 error and you're wondering what is this and how can I get rid of it. The E06 error, it comes up when the machine senses that it's out of balance. And you might even notice that it starts to, you turn it on, it starts to spin, it shakes a little bit, and then this error comes up. So the way to fix this is just to open it up and then just redistribute whatever you have in there to get it more balanced so that it can spin in a more balanced fashion. Another thing that might happen is you might be cleaning, let's say you're like cleaning like a little rug or something like that that's kind of putting a lot of weight on one side of the machine. You might get it in this situation, this error, and you might need to add like a towel or something on the other side of the drum so that it can spin in a balanced manner. So anyways, that should get rid of the error. The second thing is that, like all of these errors, they're sensors that sense these errors. So there could be a real problem going on, or there could also be a problem with the sensor. So if everything's spinning normally, and you're still getting this error, then you have either a sensor, like a control board error or something like that, that it can always be that. And if it is that, you're probably going to need to just call a technician to come out and diagnose what exactly is going on. But anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.